welcome back again. We are ready to go for a where are we going? What dinner? The fire dance dinner. Wait, what is it called? I keep forgetting the name. Luau Dinner. We have the reservation and we are ready. So the shuttle is gonna come to the hotel, like to the resort. We're gonna take the shuttle. It was literally 5 minutes. Instead of driving, we'll take the shuttle and then go there. And it's a beautiful market, so we're gonna roam around there. And we have to be in our reservation by 4:45. So we have like 30 minutes to roam around there, and then we will go to the dinner reservation. Here at Whalers Village. It's like all the shops, as you can see, a lot of stuff here. Around the Whalers Village, and then it is beautiful. They have all the amazing stores, local stores, and then also luxury stores like LV and Gucci and all that stuff. So right now we are heading to our dinner, but we will definitely come back to Whalers Village again for some shopping. Look at this beautiful tree. It's full of lights. It's not on right now, but wow. Yeah. Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow. Have like a play area this side, and that side is the bar. Like it's the perfect place where parents can relax with a drink or something, and then the kids are all in the arcade side. Like it's so cool.
That's where we're going.
Yeah. Waiters at the walk to your table.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, we have a last.
Hello, family, welcome.
So this is how you come in.
Alcohol here for anybody under 21.
Alright.
And for the adults, we have Mai Tais here.
I got the non-alcoholic version.
Welcome, everybody. Welcome.
We are going to our table. We got some drinks.
Any questions?
All people, if they want to go learn dance over there, the Hawaiian dance, and Mayan is over there. Look at him.
Okay, everybody, big round of applause for all of our guests on stage tonight. Welcome to the White Lion Luau stage. We're going to teach you folks how to do the Luau tonight. Your instructors are combined one and the four. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Looking good. To the adults in the back. Lips. Hey. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Everybody. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Keep it going. 1. Troy nets out into the sea, and all little fishes come swimming to me. What a wonderful day. We're fishing. Where the fishing poles up. Kaholo to the right. Kaholo to the left. Kaholo to the right. Kaholo. There we go.
Everybody loves the Hokilau, where the long low is the cocoa and the big
Throw your nets.
We throw our nets out into the sea, and all the come swim into me. Oh, we're going to a hello.
Let's take a bow. Hey, give it up for everybody. Round of applause, you guys, for Kainoa and Summer Canyon for our tonight.
Just like some of that. Get that. Yeah, macaroni.
You want this?
Start, baby.
Greeting you. If you happy and you know, clap your hand.
Clap your hand.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's try one more time. If you happy and you know, clap your hand. Hallelujah.
Do it.
So wrap your hand like that. I say party on. You clap once. I say low part. You clap twice. Party on. Party on. Low part. Low part. So like are you making movies? There you are. Wait. If you happy and you know, clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Do you want me to jump to the next tree?
Yes!
Do you want me to jump to the next tree?
Yes!
Oh my god.
Is it a jump? I didn't know.
Not today.
Thank god.
Aïe, et moi.
Guys, that was it for the dinner. It was so much fun. You guys saw everything. Now we're gonna go back to the hotel and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go do Road to Hana. Bye!